Now, today is Wednesday and it's been a fantastic day. It's been pissing down most of it and we've been to a place called Tahiti Woods. Now, this is really a nice place to walk if you like trees, no wildlife and birds. Oh, there were birds there actually. There was some crows, some ducks, some swans and a heron. Loads of crows. It was something like out of a Alfred Hitchcock movie where you're just walking, you go like that and you're walking and they just stood there on a branch like in a Disney film, you know, just staring at you laughing.
Here we have bamboo growing in Tahiti Woods. This is what the gardeners up and down the country and people that make wind chimes use, and in parts of the world use bamboo to make scaffolding.
But there were some very friendly squirrels and we were feeding them out of our hands, which I felt was really nice, and it's the first time in my life I've actually been feeding squirrels out of my hand. But my Julie, who's a big squirrel fan, and a washing fan, I think she's gone to thingy over there, she really buzzed off it because she's the squirrel woman. Aren't you, love? She's not only the green woodpecker hunter, she's a squirrel.
Squirrel, go on, say it.
Squirrel woman. So now I have to get her another cup saying
Yeah.
squirrel woman, because I've already got a green woodpecker cup saying wildlife photographer and stuff. Well, I don't say any stuff on it, but you get the thing.
Yeah, there's one here. Do you want to try this one?
Where?
Yeah, on this tree.
Where? So I'll just show you my setup. So this is hard slog, this. I have to do this every single day. Put this down here like this and slog away at it. So here I go again. Great day. We're going snorkeling tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. So we've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday and then we're home Sunday. So we're going snorkeling hopefully tomorrow because it's nicer in the afternoon. Hang on, I'll just get rid of that. Then we're booked in. We didn't go to the Mount St Helens today. We're supposed to go, but Friday we're booked. We're going to a nature reserve thing. We paid 30 quid for an hour and a half. I know, never mind. Might get some pictures of some foxes or something. They're supposed to have tame foxes there. That's worth it if I get a nice nice pictures of foxes, I suppose. And then Friday we're going to Cairnglaze Caverns.
Here we are in Cairnglaze Cavern and I cannot see my hand in front of my face.
Number 8, what's this?
Life finds a way.
So there's something in that, isn't it? It's mica or mica
It's mica.
on the slates, and that's what makes it look that colour. But it does on the sea in Cornwall. That's why I used to do it when you said you'd want to come here when that's somewhere on that sea.
Yeah.
That's why we were near the rocks then.
I'm not having that's like I can stand in there and be underwater.
It says it's 2 metres.
Well, not.
It says it's an illusion.
No.
It says there's 2 illusions. I bet it is.
And Saturday, I don't know what we're doing Saturday. Or is it the other way around? I don't know. But anyway, it's been fantastic and I don't want to come home yet, but I never do. Oh, Julie's, I think we're going to Mull next June instead of coming down here for a change, bird watching, which will be good. Here she is now. I was talking to myself at there
Yeah.
and trying to film you, and the two people stood there watching. Must think I'm off my head.
Probably. Right.
Sorted?
Yeah, I think so.
Right, we're going now. We've had a fantastic day, so on to the next day tomorrow. So don't forget Northwest Wildlife Watchers on Facebook. That is Northwest Wildlife Watchers on Facebook. See you later.